Now, two of the nation's Davis Cup players arrived in the island today as the nation looks to adjust to the new surface at the Eric Bell Tennis Centre as soon as possible ahead of their matchup against Estonia this weekend.
Both Randy Phillips and Daniel Azar headed straight to the Eric Bell Tennis Centre to get a feel of the court after landing in the island on Wednesday ahead of their World Group 2 Davis Cup contest against 59th ranked Estonia this weekend. Chris Paul, trainer of the Davis Cup team, is wasting no time in getting the team accustomed to the new surface.
Nah, because even though it's new, we're still playing it all the time. We practice on it. We're heading there right now.
Paul is also very excited about the prospect of a win against the Estonians.
This one would be huge. That means we get to stay in Group 2. We don't have to go back to Group 3 to battle out. So this would be the farthest we have ever been at the Davis Cup team. So we're definitely looking forward, one step away from getting to Group 1. So that's the goal and that's the dream.
Meanwhile, Davis Cup player Randy Phillips still believes that Jamaica has the upper hand despite not being familiar with the surface.
I wouldn't say advantage because we know the atmosphere and the environment more, so we're still more comfortable. It's just getting the feel of the court that takes no more than a day. I'm ready to take it home for Jamaica.
Daniel Azar is confident the team will do well because all players have been keeping themselves sharp.
I think we're very ready. I'm very confident in the team. We've been preparing well, training hard, and I feel very confident in us, and I think that we're going to get the win.
Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.